Today we'll be making a chocolate mug cake. Now let's get started. The ingredients you'll be needing to make a chocolate mug cake are almond flour, a mixing tool, a mug, sugar. I'm using brown sugar. You can use white sugar if you want. Cocoa powder. You can use sweetened cocoa powder, but I'm using unsweetened. And then baking powder, vanilla extract, 1 egg, something to crack your egg with, and your teaspoons and tablespoons. Now let's start really cooking. And don't forget the butter. For the first step, the materials you'll be needing are your mug, butter, and something to cut the butter with. Now let's get started on the first step. First, you take your butter. My butter already has the measurement for 2 tablespoons, so I'll just cut it that much. So take 2 tablespoons of your butter and put it in the bowl, your mug. Now let's melt your butter for 20 to 25 seconds. Now your butter is melted. For the second step, the materials you'll be needing are your melted butter, your mixing tool, your teaspoons and tablespoons, and your sugar. Now let's really get started on our second step. First, you have to add 1½ tablespoons of sugar into your melted butter. And now mix it with your mixing tool. If you're using brown sugar, it should start turning a little bit brown, but then it should go a little bit normal. Not too brown though, like this. Once you're done with that, now we go to the next step. your egg, and your mixture. Now let's get started. For the third step, you have to take your egg, crack it, and put it in your mixture. Try to get all the egg out. Now mix your egg, your sugar, and your butter together. Now once you're done with that, let's go to the next step. Fourth step, the materials you'll be needing are your mug mixture, your teaspoons and tablespoons, your mixing tool, vanilla extract, cocoa powder, baking powder, and your almond flour. Now let's get started. First, put your 2½ tablespoon almond flour. Now add 2 tablespoons of your cocoa powder. One. 2. Now add your ½ teaspoon of baking powder. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of your vanilla extract. Now mix it together. Now, once you're done mixing it all together, now let's go to the next step. Now put it in the microwave for 60 to 70 seconds and then take a toothpick and poke it in the middle of your cake. And then if it's still like you see some cake mix sticking to the toothpick, cook it a little bit more. But if you don't see anything but just a little bit crumbs, then you can start eating it. My toothpick in the middle of my mug cake. There's only a little bit crumbs, no like watery mixture on my toothpick. That means you can start eating it. If you taste it and it's a little too plain, you can add some whipped cream to it. like and subscribe and comment below how your mug cake went.